Make this recipe when in a hurry. To start our recipe, I will start taking 170 grams of tuna and I will put it in a sieve. People, this recipe is delicious. Now I will squeeze the tuna in the sieve with the help of a fork until all the oil comes out. Make this recipe at your home. I'm sure you and your whole family will like it. Then I'll get another container and I'll put 2 eggs and I'll stir. People, I love this recipe. After you make her, come back to tell me what you think. Then I'll add a chopped onion, a chopped tomato, tuna, parsley to taste, mozzarella to taste, a tablespoon of wheat flour, and I'll mix everything very well. Next, I will add a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of fried garlic, and I will stir everything again. This recipe is super simple, fast, and is delicious, a perfect snack for when you do not have much time. Now I'll take a pan and put some olive oil to grease, and our recipe does not stick. Tell me if you have any recipe with tuna, I would love to know. Done this, I will add our mixture in the pan. Now I'm going to spread it out little by little so it's uniform, like that. Next, I will cover the pan and cook for 10 minutes on low heat. After the time, I will remove the lid and with the help of a dish, I will turn our recipe into the pan to cook the other side. Now I'm gonna keep it low for another 5 minutes. And it's ready. Look how beautiful our recipe was. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Charlotte Make from South Africa. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. People, this tuna recipe is amazing. It is very easy to make, it is healthy and fast. Besides being perfect for when you are not with much time, it is also great for your breakfast in the day-to-day. I'm sure it'll become routine at your house. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.